Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Getting back on the grind of fashion videos feels so good. It has just felt just no inspiration lately. The end of winter can do that to you. So what I am going to be doing, I'm changing up different ways that I can film around my house because there's not much we can do outside right now. And today I am bringing you hopefully what will be a long run of a series. I'm going to take one piece from my wardrobe and style it up a bunch of different ways. And in that, I'm going to figure out what works and what doesn't work, because there are some outfits in here that I would say ding 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 I would definitely wear, and ones not so much. So today I am also super excited because today has an integrated advertorial with LILYSILK, which I'm sure you've heard of before, and this beautiful blouse that I'm wearing right now. This is actually the piece we're going to be styling. Everyone's wardrobe, I know, sweeping declaration, should have a white button down. Now, if you don't have a silk white button down, I do have a promo code. I'm gonna have those linked down below with all the T's and C's and some links to maybe some other things mentioned in this video, but it's okay. If you have a cotton white button down, all of these looks will work for that as well, but I'm just gonna tell you why silk might elevate it just a touch more. Now, just to speak to LILYSILK specifically, as you know, if you have seen so many influencers, so many content creators across the board creating with this amazing brand, 100% pure mulberry silk. And I actually learned so much more about the brand, and look, they sent a couple of other things, an eye mask as well as the pillowcase that I have behind me. And if you've seen my how to manage fine hair video, oh my gosh, a silk pillowcase is an absolute must, and the beauty benefits come from less wrinkles, less damage to your hair. I'm a side sleeper. I always thought I just naturally had a lower density of hair on my right side versus my left side, but one, it was because of the way I part my hair, but two, also because of the friction that was caused between my cotton pillowcase and my hair every single night. So almost every single night I was creating damage to my hair. So that is another huge benefit of silk. And because this silk is so tightly woven and such high grade, such high quality, you are also not going to be losing moisture from your hair and your skin to your pillowcase, and you're going to have less friction. Last thing that they sent me besides this blouse that we're going to be styling up today is this bra, which I absolutely had no idea that LILYSILK even did. And it has two inserts for the cups. You can remove them, clean them. They also sent an extra pack that comes with the bra when you do purchase it. This is one of the most comfortable things I have put on. I actually am almost sad that fall and winter are almost done when it comes to this bra specifically, because I think it would pair so stunningly underneath a chunky sweater. You would be absolutely so comfortable. It would feel like you're not wearing anything at all, which is incredible. Then you could also do the tuck, where you take the bottom of a really chunky sweater and tuck it beneath. But nonetheless, it is now time to talk about this button down top. It comes in a variety of colors, but I will link this one down below. I am currently wearing a small for size reference, and I was able to style it in a ton of different ways because it is most certainly a wardrobe staple. Let's dive into the first outfit. So this first outfit, okay, I really like this. I've never paired something like this together. Usually when I'm thinking about elevating my outfit, by choosing a vegan leather, I automatically feel like that elevates the outfit, but I've never really thought of pairing it with a silk, which I think overall really does justice of this is what I would wear out, you know, go have drinks with the girls. A silk blouse just really sets off all of these looks. Now, one thing you'll notice with the hardware, I did take the hardware out of the purse. That's a Zara purse, and these are the Melina Aritzia pants. And I took that out of there because I had gold hardware everywhere else in my earrings, as well as my Sophie Schnur boots, which are a pretty great dupe for the Susanna Chloe boots. And overall, I think with the very sunglasses, this look, 100% I'd wear. I've not paired this together before, but I've most certainly put a white shirt with these Melinas, and I love this combo. So next up, going to the office, hanging out, maybe going to a coffee shop, doing some work. The trousers are back in trend, and they are most certainly a huge wardrobe staple as well. These are a pair of trousers that I've had from Aritzia for a very long time, and this outfit specifically, it wasn't one that came to mind when I was thinking of making this video, because I've never thought of putting a turtleneck underneath a silk blouse. Now, I actually have done that with a cotton blouse before, a cotton button down, but I really like the look of this, especially because I know maybe it's not your typical knee-jerk reaction to put a turtleneck underneath, but guys, it's like -8 outside today. It feels even colder than that. And if I can add some warmth to my pieces and make them stretch across seasons, I'm gonna do it. I do feel like that outfit was a little severe with the black belt. I maybe should have even opted for a black turtleneck to kind of bring in a little bit of that black color with the shoes, the turtleneck, and the belt. As we speak to these products that LILYSILK has, try to say LILYSILK like 5 times fast, it's tough. As we speak to those products, we're also talking about investment pieces. So these pieces are incredibly affordable, but they also feel like an investment, and they are, because they are such high grade. Now, this next outfit I paired with 2 of my investment pieces that I am so thrilled about. And that is my Holland Cooper blazer with the In the Fro collection and my Chloe Tess bag, which I have not fully mentioned here on this channel yet. I recently got her. I've been coveting her for over a year, maybe more. I think more, in the Maudie gray color, and I am so excited about this outfit. The reason why I think a silk blouse pairs much better underneath a blazer than a cotton shirt is the fact that when I put on this silk blouse, it just feels like your skin, right? There's not a lot of thickness to it when you put on another layer, so it's not gonna get all jumbled up. So when I put on my blazer arm on this Holland Cooper jacket specifically, it is a very tailored fit. So I can't pair a ton of things underneath it, but when I put this blouse on and I put that blazer over top, it was absolutely incredible because my arm just slipped right in, no issue. And then putting my Tess bag in the crossbody just kind of brings down the look a little bit, makes it a little bit more casual, but still has that jewelry of the bag matching the buttons. Now, the base of this outfit is an outfit in itself, right? So looking at the base of this outfit, the heels most certainly elevate it. Now, these heels specifically, I got them at DSW, and I believe they're Kate and Kelly, or Kelly and Kate, I'll link them down below. And these are my Levi's rib cage wedgie jeans. I have trouble sometimes styling these because they are a little cropped at the bottom, so pairing a heel with that actually elongates my legs, when a ribcage Levi's can make you look quite boxy. Now, a light wash denim can automatically be a little bit more relaxed in styling, but when you pair it with a silk top, there you go, you kind of level out the elevation once again. And I definitely got inspiration from Pinterest, tons of photos in this. And what is also really nice is on the LILYSILK website, you can find this top in different colors. This is just the first one I had, so I knew I wanted to go for a wardrobe staple, but I'm definitely willing to kind of go out of my regular knee-jerk reaction to purchase white, and I would love to purchase the champagne-y color, maybe a navy as well, and I think black would look really lovely as well as another staple in the wardrobe. This outfit came after trying on other things. So I tried the shirt with a mini skirt. Wasn't the one. I tried it with a big tulle skirt that I'd purchased off of Amazon that I absolutely love. Either of those 2 framings really worked for me. The mini skirt just wasn't a match, and the big tulle skirt, it just kind of swallowed me whole. So when I landed on this one, I found so many benefits. This is a tube skirt, so it's a tube skirt from Aritzia. It's from Babaton. I have 2 of these, one in dusty rose, as you're seeing on the screen, and one in black, and I would wear them typically when I was broadcasting a ton, just because it created a lovely silhouette, and I just really loved the look of it on camera. Now, specifically, this skirt can be a nightmare to style. And the reason for that is because if you tuck anything into it, you can see it. You know, you can see the line. But never have I ever tried pairing a silk top with it. And I so wish I knew this before, because by putting a silk top underneath a bodycon skirt like this, you can hardly see the seams when it is tucked in. And that is like exactly what I was looking for whenever styling this. So this has been such a fossil in my wardrobe lately. I have not pulled this skirt out in so long, and I'm thrilled now to have kind of rediscovered a way that I can style it because of a silk button down. I also paired this up with my Chloe Woody tote because I do see this outfit more as an elevated office look, but at the same time, if you're going to the office, if you're going to a coffee shop to do some work, you're probably going to be carrying quite a few things, and the Chloe Woody is the absolute perfect elegant pairing to this outfit. So I told myself I was going to have fun with these looks as soon as I started kind of crafting this video in my head and also thinking to spring ahead. So I think a lot of us, I mean, when I think about wearing silk, if it's gonna rain, that terrifies me. I don't know, maybe my mom instilled the fear of ruining silk with water. I don't know what it is, but I was thinking, you know what, I'll just make this very weather appropriate. So I could still wear this silk blouse, of course, in the spring, even if you get a sprinkle of rain. And I added my trench over top. Now this trench is from Zara, and so are the jeans with that nice racer stripe, kind of giving it a little bit more flair, a little bit more of a cheeky, fun look, plus a platform sneaker, which are also from Zara, just realizing this might as well be called the Zara and LILYSILK look. And platforms are still coming back. So another fossil that I dug out from the back of my wardrobe that are coming back in fashion, plus them being white, really pairs nicely with the stripe down the leg as well as the blouse. Nonetheless, I digress. I would love to actually continue to build on the basics that I have. The high street choice of having my Zara jacket, I've most recently seen a Zimmermann jacket that is absolutely stunning. Another camel trench that is perfect in the spring and the fall, and that is on the Outnet. Now I might regret saying that here if you guys go and buy them all, but I will link it down below. It still comes with a pretty hefty price tag, so it's still very much in the back of my mind. Nonetheless, I like this look and I definitely would wear it out and about. And side note, those sunglasses are from Essence and they are Fendi. Another outfit that was totally inspired by Pinterest was this one. So I knew I wanted to go for a monochromatic look. There's one that works, there's one that didn't. This is the one that worked. So I have got a more beigey kind of trouser on. I love that there is the fabric covered belt. These are from Zara as well. And I do as well have a loafer on, which are Cole Haan, and they give me absolute crazy blisters. So I'm looking to replace them and maybe send those to a better home. Buttoning this top all the way to the top button actually kind of gives you another style, another way to wear this top that almost makes it look like a completely different top. I also, underneath the collar and pulling out into the front, to jazz it up a bit, I added my Jenny Bird Tony necklace, which I am constantly trying to find new ways to style. It is so multifaceted, but I think with pieces like this, it takes you making the choice to remember to wear it. Now, also within this look, as we've already discovered the base, I felt like it was still too matchy-matchy. I wanted to break it up a little bit. So I added in my Oakenfort Houndstooth vest, which if you guys have been around here for a while, you will definitely have seen this before. I believe I purchased this last spring and it's been in many of my styling videos since, because a vest top like this, one, is a great warmth layer, two, hardly ever gets dirty because you're putting it over top of clothes, so you don't have to worry about deodorant stains or anything like that. And three, just adds some great texture to a look, especially if you're someone like me who maybe has some tummy issues, maybe sometimes feels a little bloated. You can add a vest top over top to make yourself kind of hide the bloaty belly, but still have an elevated, comfy look that you really tried without having to put over a huge sweater. You know what I'm saying? Side note on that, I'm 100% making a bloaty belly fashion video. It's coming. I just have a lot of ideas, so I want to make sure it's really good. The last outfit is one that I wouldn't particularly wear, and this kind of highlights the reason why I think when you get a wardrobe staple like a white button down, whether it be cotton or silk, you should 100% just take an afternoon and play and try it on with tons of different things in your wardrobe, because you'll figure out what works and what doesn't. And almost figuring out what doesn't work is more important than figuring out what does, because the worst thing ever is putting on an outfit when you're in a rush. It doesn't particularly make you feel good, and then you're out in the world, you know, not feeling your most comfortable, best, authentic self. So this outfit, of course, I love leather jacket season. Leather jacket season's great. You know, it means you can do those light layers. It's amazing. But I just felt like the white jeans from Denim Forum were just too matchy-matchy with my white top. They were almost an exact match versus when I was wearing those Zara trousers that added a little bit of cream contrast, and everything just seemed kind of severe. And that's my own personal style. because this look could be perfect for you if you are someone who just really loves that contrast of black and white. So I hope I gave you a little bit of inspiration when it comes to styling your white button down top. Please let me know what item you would like me to dive in next. I know we had some requests on a denim deep dive, so I'm definitely going to be looking into doing that, much like my which white t-shirt is the best, which I will link up above. Now, in the unboxing process with LILYSILK, they also sent along some great information. Not all silk is created equally, how they use 6A long mulberry silk fibers, which is so cool. And I found this very interesting as well, that 100% mulberry silk is rich in 18 different kinds of beneficial amino acids, so that every inch of your skin and every strand of your hair will be cared for naturally, which I thought is so cool. And the last note too is they've teamed up with TerraCycle, and TerraCycle is a recycling program for no waste. So basically, LILYSILK sustainably, part of our mission is that we believe in zero waste can make a difference, and I think that is just absolutely phenomenal. So again, there is a promo code down below if you are also interested in sliding into a silk top or sliding into bed and having your silk pillowcase. I think that's a great place to start actually. If you're diving into the world of silk, get yourself a silk pillowcase. Your hair will thank you. Seriously, this is one of my biggest tips when it comes to beauty. And with all of that, this is the end of the video, so please do like it if you liked it, and subscribe, become part of the fashion, style, lifestyle, travel fam here on my little cozy nook of the internet. I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys!